Alright, so here we go. I got the corner cleaned out. I'm going to be adding supports of solid wood into these legs of the Ikea Lack table so that I can then mount the UPS rack more securely, and I'll install the shelf to put my batteries on. Alright, so just to show you guys, I'm sure I'm doing this wrong, but to knock the wood out of the leg, it's just like a ½ inch at the bottom. I'm taking the pointy end of a file, hammering on the top of it, and kind of working my way around the edge until it all falls out. And then this piece of 2x2, which is actually like 1.5 inches or something like that. Oh, come on. Will slip down in there, and you have supported your Ikea Lack table accordingly. So I'll show you guys the finished product. There you go, one reinforced Ikea Lack table leg. And of course I can't get it back out, but I just set the piece of wood in, scratched it, cut it there. Easier than actually taking the time to measure it. So yeah, I'll show you guys when I reinstall the UPS rails and build the frame on there for the batteries. Well, there we go. Through the magic of me not turning on the camera while I worked, there's a completed 8S lithium iron phosphate battery bank. It's 2.5 kilowatt. I've got all the BMS modules hooked up. They're not communicating, which is why they're just randomly blinking right now. The only thing they'll do is individually protect try and protect from over voltage. They'll burn off at their set point. But yeah, there it is, all wired up with the bus bars and everything. I checked it with the multimeter. Voltage looks normal. I mounted this back in the table, put the lid on it. And what's nice is, all my protection, fusing and stuff, logic, sits in here really nicely, and there'll just be cables coming from the battery into it, and then out of it into the unit. So it's a nice little sub module that I can just work on later. So yeah, it's coming along.